Let's look at the new feature to add plugins to both the batch convert and watch folder features in Win2PDF 11. Win2PDF plugins are small Windows programs or scripts that can be used to extend the functionality of Win2PDF for a variety of situations. They are fully customizable, and standard ones can be found on our website. In Win2PDF 11, these plugins can be enabled to work with both the batch convert and watch folder features. Simply create or download an existing plugin, like the new Delete Blank Pages plugin, and install it on your computer. Now, when you open the Win2PDF desktop app and go to the Batch Convert window, you'll see that your plugin has been enabled in the interface. This allows you to run this special program for each file that is converted during Batch Convert. Similarly, the feature is enabled in the Watch Folder and Convert screen. The Watch Folder feature is only available in Win2PDF Pro Terminal Server Edition. Win2PDF plugins provide custom functionality that may be unique. If there is a particular feature not currently provided by Win2PDF, contact us through our online support webpage, and we may be able to help create a custom plugin to meet your needs. For more information, visit Win2PDF.com.